Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD. Guys, on Friday we were selling it and we hit our target, guys, and we end up came. So, guys, last week we did not do a weekly analysis, so I am going to do a weekly analysis this week. hmm So, guys, as you can see, the pound was obviously in a bearish trend, but what happens now? That is the question, guys. And to answer that question, guys, it's very easy. For this week, guys, as long as we are able to stay above 1.32024, guys, I think we've made a double top and sorry, double bottom. And if we've made a double bottom, a minimum target would be, guys, it would be 1.33472. And we could go higher as well. So I would target, I don't know, 1.34401. And guys, if you break below this, we will be seeing the previous bottom, which is at 1.30184. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make a lot of money trading this pair. And see you guys next week.